A little tour of our garden this morning, starting with the spinach and the compost heap with a thermometer and around the other way. Sweet peas and gladioli in the distance. Running up the side of the greenhouse we've got geranium, daylily, goldenrod and yarrow. This is our shallot bed, which is almost due for lifting. This is our parsnip bed. A bit too much top on for my liking, but hey ho. Carrots doing extremely well. Red onions, they're lifted and drying. That bed on which they are is going to be used for other things now, probably lettuce. Newly planted fennel. A little bit of beetroot at the other strawberry bed. I'm just getting tidied and ready for back end. A very untidy bit. Leeks growing in tubes. Celery growing in cardboard. And sweet corn, which is ready for picking. Looking over into next door. Sweet peas and gladioli. The carrot bed. And the shallots. Newly planted perennials this year. This is our hosta bed, which we've kept reasonably clear of molluscs, with coffee grounds, etc. A little sitting area facing west. Enjoy a pint on there on a night. And there's the garden. Bird table to the left. Through the gate into the front. Another superb bench made by me. This was my business before I retired. Rugosia, finished flowering now. Behind the rugosia is a fig. Nothing on it this year at all. Little lemon tree, got a few on. They're nice to eat of those, we love them. Newly planted perennial border. Bit of colour in there and a bit different to what we're used to. Our one and only fig. More perennial border, in need of a bit of improvement. And behind is the monkey puzzle. It's now about 25 feet high. Physocarpus. Behind that is the orange Physocarpus. And there under the monkey puzzle is the red Physocarpus. Diablo. Sage, ready for picking and drying before it goes to flower. More of my late manufacturing, table with a granite top and a traditional deck chair. Extremely comfortable to sit in. Here's our emergency plant supply. Beautiful gladiolis at the end of July. Matthewman's sweet peas. The longest stems, most beautiful flowers of any. The greenhouse now. Cucumbers galore. And we can't give them away fast enough. Tomatoes almost ready for pasta sauce. Need tying up a bit now though, they're starting to flop. I need to get another cable up. Next year's fuchsias. Fuchsia cuttings potted up. And seedlings of lupin. And the crazy grape. A bucket of basil coming on in the greenhouse. And that concludes today's Miander. Thank you for watching. Bye.